How to make a blog post using an AI. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to make a blog post using an AI. So let's get started. What is an AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence, and now there are a lot of platforms out there that help us save time and money by writing blog posts and articles for free. And that's what I will show you today, that if you run a blog, how you can write a blog post using an AI that will help you write professional blog posts, SEO friendly, and you don't even have to pay someone to write the blogs for you. Today, I will be using an AI platform known as Writer.me. Writer.me is an AI writing platform. There are different AIs for different purposes. For writing, we have Writer.me. There is Jasper, which is really famous, but it's not free. Writer.me is a free AI that we can use. So what you have to do is you will go to writer.me, and this is where you don't need to even sign up. You can just log in with your Google account. So I'll show you how to create a blog. I am looking to write a blog post for my blog right here, and my topic is how to lose weight. That's what I will be writing today. First of all, on Writer, you have to select the language you want to go for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select English, but you can see we can write in more than 20 languages on this platform. So this is pretty impressive that I can not only write in English, but I'm going to go ahead and choose my language, which is going to be English. Tone. We can select the tone we want to go for. Of course, each of the different blog posts has its own type of tone. If you want to go with assertive, casual, critical, formal, funny, humble, informative, joyful, passionate, you will select the one you want to go for. So I will be going for informative. Then we have use case. We can not only write blog posts with an AI, we can also write outlines, we can write pitch for business ideas, call to action, cover letters, email, job description, keyword extractor, magic command, a product description, profile bio, meta titles, song lyrics, taglines, video descriptions, and more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select on blog idea outline first, and we will get an idea, and then I will click on selection writing. We have to enter some of the primary keywords to help the AI assistant. So I'm going to type in few words from my topic, which is going to be lose weight. We can add as many we want. How to lose weight. Okay. Number of variants. We can select more than one variant so that we have more choices. I'm going to select 3. Creativity level is going to be optimal. Click on write for me, and Writer will take few seconds to write the blog idea and outline for me, and then I will work on it to write a blog post. So here we have our results. DIY weight loss and fitness tips for achieving goals. Keywords are going to be weight loss, how to lose weight fast, how to lose 10 pounds in a week. Moving on, we have how to lose weight with essential oils and how they boost your health. In outline, we're getting introductions. We have what are the different types of essential oils, how to use essential oils, okay? The complete guide to losing weight and staying healthy. In the outline, we will have 5 common mistakes, what is the best way to lose weight, and the conclusion is going to be the downside of dieting and how to prevent them. So I think I'm gonna go with the first one right here, which is DIY weight loss and fitness, and we have our own outline to that. So I'm going to select this one, and we will work on this topic. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually get all of these keywords that I got. I will copy these and I will paste them right here, because now I am starting to work on my blog. This is what I'm going for. Then we have the keywords right here and other things. Okay, perfect. Now I have this. I will actually again work on my blog now. This is just an extra step that I wanted to show you, that how you can, get an idea first. If you are completely blank and you want to write a blog, you have no idea. This happens to me as well when I'm sitting in front of my computer or laptop and I just sit there for hours thinking where to start, what to write. So you can get an idea from here, and then you can let your assistant know, just like a writer, you can just let them know what you're looking for. This time I'm going to go with a blog section writing, and we will add the topic right here, and then we have to add the keywords. In the topic, I will go with the topic that writer suggested me, which was DIY DIY ways to lose weight, how to keywords. This is where I will enter the keywords. For variants, I'm just going to go with one, and the creativity level is going to be optimal. Click on write for me. So writer has written this blog for me. We have our sections, and now I can read it and kind of like just arrange it a little bit. So we have our introduction. Losing weight is not difficult as it seems. Okay, so we have like there are some things that you can do. Then we have DIY ways to lose weight. It has written some paragraphs for me. It's according to the different sections that I've given, and now I have 536 words written for me within minutes. So that is why an AI writing assistant helps us a lot to save time and even save money. We don't have to pay any writer to do this for us. Here we have our blog. Let me actually show you some of the tools that we get with writer.me that will help me write a better blog. So you can select the text, and once you do, we have different commands. Send custom text generation request to AI, control shift plus C. So if I have a word and I want to explain it more, I can use a command control shift plus C. If you want to improve what you have, if you want to correct the grammar and improve the readability of the text, you can just click on improve, rephrase. If for any reason, if you do not like what writer wrote for you, what you can do is you can click on the rephrase and it will rephrase everything for you again. Then we have paragraphs. So what you need to do is you can select a text and then you can generate a paragraph for it with control shift plus P. Let's say I have like avoid eating too much, right? So what I can do is I can select this text, or the text should be actually a little longer. So what I can do is I can select this text right here, click on paragraph, and it will generate a paragraph for this line right here. Then we have continue retyping. What you can do is if you have selected 100 or 200 words, you can just click on keep writing and it will generate more words for you and you will get a better paragraph. So these are some of the tools that we get with our writer. Click on more, and then we have expand, shorten, then we have plagiarism check too. So if I want to expand this, I will click on expand. You can see these are 2 lines, 191 characters, and now it has expanded it for me and it has written some of the words for me, and now it's like 216. So Writer.me is actually a pretty good platform to write blog posts, and now I can just work with it. I will generate paragraphs. I have my outline, I have my text to work with. I will now generate some paragraphs. The points that I have here, I will generate paragraphs for these and I will get 1,000 words for my blog. So you can see right here, we have bold option, italic in the text. We have headings that we can create. We have order list. We can also embed images, black codes. We have highlighted text, alignments. Then we have select all option, clear formatting, and undo and redo to work on writer. So this is just like writing on your Google documents or your Word, but with this we get a help from an assistant, a writing assistant, which is an AI that helps me write my documents. When the document is ready, you can click on these 3 dots and download the document. So let's say I want to download it as my docs. So you can see now it's downloaded. This is how you download, or you can also delete the document, pin to profile, and more. If I go back, I will be able to see all of the different documents that I have created. This is the one that I created just now. We can also create folders and new documents to work on our writer. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to write a blog post using an AI. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.